Mastering prepositions with dates in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we are going to explore an exciting part of the English language, prepositions. Specifically, we'll delve into how prepositions are used with dates. Don't worry if it sounds complex. We'll break it down into simple, easy-to-understand segments. Let's get started. Prepositions are small words that pack a big punch. They help us to understand relationships between different parts of a sentence, especially when it comes to time, place, and direction. Today we're focusing on time, and more precisely, dates. The most common prepositions used with dates are on, in, and at. We use on for specific dates or days. Example: I was born on July 16th. We use in for months, years, and seasons. Example: she started her job in 2023. Or, I love going for walks in the spring. At is less common, and it's mainly used for specific times or festive periods. Example: the fireworks begin at midnight. Or, many people exchange gifts at Christmas. When asking questions about dates, it's crucial to use prepositions correctly. Here are some examples. What are you doing on July 23rd? When is your birthday in December? Do you have any plans for the weekend? Notice the use of the preposition for in the last example. When we're talking about a period of time as a whole, like a weekend or a holiday, we often use for. In response to these questions, you'd typically structure your answers like this. I'm going to a concert on July 23rd. My birthday is on December 5th. Yes, I'm visiting my family for the weekend. And that's it. We've gone through the basic usage of prepositions with dates, both in asking and answering questions. Remember, practice is key. So, make sure to practice using on, in, and at with different dates and times. We hope this video was helpful and you're now more confident in using prepositions with dates. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep practicing and happy learning.